Jotono lamsogo English to Kokborok YouTube channel ang singha deborma phaidi singtini haino ai English rangmani haparo tekes jaga yapi selayana. I have eaten rice ang my chakha. You have done for parents. Nwng buma bufani bagwi khlaikha. They have come here. Oborok oro paikha. She has shoe her shirt. Bo bini kanslei phunokha. We have bought vegetable. Chwng mwikhutwng paikha. He has got that notebook. Bo a note bijab mankha. It has taken bicycle. Obo cycle by nahaka. Pradip has won this game. Pradip a game paikha. It have run in the forest. Oborok bolong bisingo kharkha. Oro joto pastul as angkongma example phunumani bisingo norok kaisa common thangmani nugui tongkhana obo ongkha kokborok by kha ke abono ang nongno koyo kokborok by kha ke thangui tong o jagao joto sentence example riphrungmo jagao bayarok oron bisingo baksa jarak katal ani video first time nainai hingke borok kitchu songi me phanu ngnai awon bangai ang nongno koyo norok alada ani English sikmani video series nai nongni bangai helpful ngai a video no ai batana chini naimao haikema talawa description thangai naimao abo sang naigradi ge nongni bangai useful ngai lokornam koyo please norok chini family of phana bangai jara katal video nainai hingke bell icon of chini plus notification mana bangai ge subscribe channel khail tamni hingke chin family o krangai tongna bagai bayara nok tamo a video na sajak ya hingke please dislike ridi sajak like ridi tamni hingke nok ni feedback dislike ma hangke si jeng tebu next video o bojaga improve khayan ang bojaga tebu ang discuss khayan ang abono saimano abon bangai nok ni opinion tolawa saidi plus like dislike ridi ta hokte bokuk song nok ni bisingo obo kono saimia phang tongana obo ongkha English ni present perfect tense lokorong ang koyo nung a video no kaham ke nai di tamni hangke abo belai ke nong bangai important past indefinite tense present perfect tense abo pura cholai molai no man o kintu bo jaga difference jeng romnai hangke past tense probo haino kokborok by ke kha ke sense thang ta kokte bukuk song hangke norok busima khana hna yang onsogo ang khlaikha ang chakha abaken kokma sanai hangke jeng bo jaga o difference no romi mana hingke takuk te bukuk song nai tong o video no ang sai khna nai abo clear dikhen nong no nung je pro dini samung khayo dini ni bisingo je samung khai mano hingke abo khe to nung present perfect tense by nung kokma sanai mia hingke abo hingke nung past indefinite tense by kokma sanai e sense hingke abo pura kokborok by hingke same khan thango haipano o jaga nung different marom nai tini samung khaima bisingo hingke nung sob somoy present perfect tense use ma khainai nung miawa samung khaimani hingke abongkha nung past indefinite tense use ma khainai hingke ang poido khayonorok busiman khana hnoi hingke aboni sentence structure kisa naile no takokte bukuk song ang tini nong sai khana ai abini sentence structure bom hairo aboni sentence structure ongkha buyer of subject plus s eba have our duita auxiliary verb nai ajagawo plus verb 3 plus object hangke bayar no verb 3 tamo saimia hangke ang nong no ajaga brief likhe saikna rifin ai do did done go when gone come came come forget forgot abo hairok hangke takokte bukuk song abo verb ni form hangke o last ni past participle form abono nung verb 3 bohimano first ni ke verb 1 second ni ke verb 2 last ni ke part 3 abono past participle form hunimano second no past form hunimano past ni no present form huniman takokte bukuk song okay ang nong no tabo aboni English by second pila example nai plus abono translate khai kokborok by nong no just clear khen nong concept no tebo busiri mana pangai ang abono nong no saikhana nai ang nong no te kaisa kok sanamu sungo je probo kokborok wanjei Hindi aro jagarago hingke sentence structure mani subject plus object plus verb obahike ngo favor English hungke subject plus verb plus object atike sentence structure ngo जों थासिंगो example नायलायमानो ताबो तेबो सग्रबो सायमालायनो तेबो बिसिंगो हाबलायनो I have eaten rice ang my chakha Oborok ke tondrong ni thinango eba nongni langmao kokma sanai angke muitu klaidi Oborok ke sana nangpro tam ke sana English bai angke I have eaten rice means kokborok bai ke ang my chakha haro ke tomas hau angke obahai jagarago angke जों present perfect tense no samongo maprango abo nongi langmao moitu khaidi tabo sentence bahike or umhake paikha abnang nang no saikna ron I have eaten rice I engkha subject have engkha auxiliary verb o jagao eaten eat at eaten means eaten engkha verb 3 rice abongkha object or jagao or sentence obonon tomung sung negative sentence khaina hangke asomoyo ke have ni gana kaisa not word use ma khlainai abno moitu khlaidi I have not eaten rice ang mai sayakhu obake kogro koitu thango angke obahairok khlaiproke जों not samgo maprango negative sentence soke tomung nok have not namusne ke haven't bo himano obo hangke bini short form pheba seiproke apostrophe comma nani tapok tolawo nokana haven't ni spelling am hake marnai nge taktik kaisa kok khanati je probo interrogative sentence abahijat sentence soke जों samongo maphrang piunai auxiliary verb no buskango matubnai bini poreo ke subject asoknai bin poreo ke verb 3 yang jetongmani pura same last question mark masonai tabo have I eaten rice nge last question mark obhaike interrogative sentence ma khlainai obokhe kokborok to saisung question khaimai khlaikha ang mai chakha saisung no question khaimai khlaikha to obokhe जों haino hai tabok te kaisa example naileno abongkha you have done for parents Nwng bufani bagwi khlaikha o jaga bo haino you subject aboni bangwi have paikha auxiliary verb done angkha verb 3 for parents obongkha object himni te kaisa naileno she has soup her shirt means kokborok obo bo boni kansloi nokha or jaga norok nokhana si angkha third person singular number subject aboni mangai has paikha auxiliary verb so abongkha verb 3 her shirt abongkha object angge nongni bakhawok tabo kaisa संgnani musungmani asai tongkha ang saimano or jakhe tamni bangai have phayawi auxiliary verb has paikha ang nongno kaisa kok sana musungo je jorao subject third person singular number tomung hingke a jagao ke जों present perfect tense sentence structure khaipro auxiliary verb has no samongo maprango abono uitunadi hingke o has no tomung jeng negative sentence khlaina hingke has not nai obono short form ke jeng hana hingke hasn't nai hingke te kaisa kok interrogative sentence khaipro hingke o has first o thangnai bini pore o si eba subject phainai te hingke o interrogative sentence o je asokmani o jaga bo o rule no follow nai jeng tabo hainai lephiano they have come here borok oro paikha kokborok paikha or jaga jeng mankha de obongkha subject aboni bangai have auxiliary verb paikha come ke verb 3 or jaga o here angkha object jeng haino hai or jaga o te kaisa example nailene we have bought vegetable jeng mwikhutwng paikha or jaga we obongkha subject have angkha auxiliary verb bought angkha verb 3 by ni by bought obai ke verb 3 ngo vegetable angkha o jaga o object mwikhutwng he has got that notebook bo a note bijap mankha or jaga bo haino he third person singular number subject aboni bangai or jaga o has auxiliary verb paikha got get got bohni manu gotten bohni manu hingke jeng o jaga o got angkha verb 3 that notebook abongkha object Pradip has won this game Pradip o game paikha Pradip angkha o jaga o subject third person singular number aboni bangai has auxiliary verb o jaga o paikha win un obai ke bini slaijago aboni bangai or jaga o verb 3 paikha this game angkha object himni jeng tabo hainai laiphion example it's have run in the forest Oborok bolong bisingo kharkha it's angkha subject have angkha auxiliary verb run means run angkha verb 3 in the forest obongkha object o have bufro re o has bufro ro je somoyo third person singular number means bomong he she it amhai third person singular number hongke sob somoy no has angnai te baki hongke all subject no obo have angnai bayarok abono kisa muito khainal di hongke hor jaga obono third person singular number hongke has angnai plus oino je kono subject hongke have angnai hongke takhon busia tong hongke comment khai chungdi ang nong no reply rawano bayarok tomo au video chaja khang please like khai di share khai di comment khai di te channel subscribe khai di bell icon press khai di katal video jate mana bangai nok nano hamjak ma ruoi an video nai ma bangai nong no pai phle hamjak ma maru e jotno khulumka next video haino haite waisa jeng malai lai phinai